From wooden wheels to bullet trains to intelligent machines inside millions of homes.
Japan did not simply adopt technology, it transformed it.
The sound of iron wheels shaking fragile tracks. Now imagine that same nation building trains so precise that being 30 seconds late becomes national news. This is the story of Japan, a nation that transformed from humble wooden carriages into the undisputed master of speed.
In the early 1800s, long before railroads exist, Japan moved by foot, horse, and wooden carts. Coastal boats and human endurance.
For centuries, movement was slow, but change was approaching.
In the mid-1800s, Japan began building new relationships with the outside world. New ideas, machines, engineering methods, and industrial knowledge started entering the country. Among all these innovations, one invention would transform Japan forever: railways.
In 1872, Japan opened its first railway between Tokyo and Yokohama.
British engineers helped build the line, but Japanese ambition drove it forward. The journey that once took a full day, now took less than an hour.
The first passenger coaches were built with polished wood, brass fittings, and oil lamps. Steam locomotives breathed
Smoke across rice fields and fishing villages. To many Japanese citizens, it felt like seeing the future.
By the late 1800s, tracks began spreading across mountains, valleys, and coastlines.
Railways connected farmers, merchants, students, and entire communities. Japan was no longer a collection of distant islands.
With every kilometer of track, factories grew. Coal, steel, silk, and machinery
Moved faster than ever before. The railway did not simply move people, it powered Japan's industrial rise.
Stations became symbols of modern life. Clock towers, ticket counters, and waiting halls introduced a new rhythm.
In the first half of the 20th century, war changed everything. Railways became
Strategic lifelines, carrying soldiers, supplies, and fuel. But as cities burned, many lines were destroyed.
In 1945, Japan faced devastation.
Latin engineers worked day and night. Steel replaced aging wood, electric power replaced smoke, and a new vision began to form.
Japan's leaders asked an impossible question. What if trains could compete with airplanes? That question would change transportation forever. In 1964, during the 1964 Summer Olympics, Japan unveiled the world's first
True high-speed rail. The legendary
The first trains reached speeds once thought impossible for rail travel. Smooth, quiet.
Year after year, the system proved something remarkable. Millions of passengers, almost no fatal accidents caused by train collisions.
In Japan, even seconds matter. A delay of 1 minute can trigger formal apologies. Precision became part of national identity.
Engineers drilled tunnels through solid rock. Bridges crossed deep valleys. And speed conquered geography.
Hispanic engineers, both young and experienced, drilled tunnels through solid rock with determination.
Bridges crossed deep valleys. And speed conquered geography.
Living on one of Earth's most active seismic zones, Japan built trains that could sense earthquakes.
Automatic systems could stop entire networks within seconds.
Today, stations in Tokyo feel like futuristic cities. Shopping malls, restaurants, hotels, and offices, all connected by rail.
While wooden train coaches disappeared, Japan's road technology evolved just as rapidly.
From compact post-war cars to autonomous electric mobility, transportation was no longer just movement, it became intelligence.
From compact post-war cars to autonomous electric mobility, transportation was no longer just movement, it became intelligence. From Asia to Europe, nations studied Japan's methods. Speed, safety, and discipline became exportable ideas.
Now Japan is testing trains that appear to float. Magnetic levitation. Almost silent, almost frictionless.
As Japan modernized, railway stations began changing in another way. Women entered ticket offices, operations,
Customer service, and engineering roles. The railway became a symbol not only of technology but of social change.
In regions like Japanese Alps, engineers faced brutal terrain. Snow, landslides, and steep slopes challenged every kilometer. But Japan refused to let geography decide its limits.
As cities expanded, railways moved underground. The subway systems of Tokyo and Osaka became lifelines for millions. Beneath the streets, another city was moving.
In Japan, trains are cleaned in minutes. Teams work with military precision. Every seat, every window, every detail reflects a culture of respect.
As Japan modernized, railway stations began changing in another way. Women entered ticket offices, operations, customer service, and engineering roles. The railway became a symbol not only of technology but of social change. The subway systems of Tokyo and Osaka became lifelines for millions. Beneath to machines faster than imagination. Japan did not chase the future, it built it.
In Japan, trains are cleaned in minutes. Teams work with every window,
Every seat, every window, every detail reflects a culture of respect.
In Japan, for many citizens, the railway is more than transport. It carries first jobs,
Family reunions, school memories, and final goodbyes. Steel tracks became part of personal history.
Japanese rail expertise now influences projects across continents. Engineers, systems, and safety principles
travel far beyond Japan. The world continues learning from its rails.
From wood to steam, from steam to electricity, and from electricity to near flight. Japan didn't simply
Modernize transportation. It changed what humanity believes a train can be.
By the late 20th century, Japan was no longer just building trains. It was building machines known for precision,
Building machines known for precision, reliability, and near perfection. The world had begun to notice.
After rebuilding from war, Japan turned its focus toward roads. Small factories grew into global automotive giants. In crowded cities, compact cars became the perfect solution.
One company would help redefine manufacturing across the world. Toyota introduced production systems studied by factories on every continent. Efficiency became an art form. Japan also built machines that excited the world. Lightweight engineering, turbocharged innovation, and precision handling. Performance became part of national identity. Long before electric cars became a global trend, Japanese engineers were already experimenting. Efficiency had always been part of the culture.
In many factories, robotic arms now work with near-perfect timing. East Asian humans and machines operate side by side.
Precision is measured in fractions of a second.
In busy cities like Tokyo, traffic is guided by intelligent systems. Sensors, cameras, and algorithms help millions move safely.
From rice cookers to refrigerators, Panasonic helped modernize households around the world. Simple appliances became symbols of convenience.
A single machine changed family kitchens. Automatic rice cookers brought consistency, speed, and comfort to daily life.
Even the bathroom became a place of innovation. Japanese smart sanitation technology amazed visitors from around the world. In Japan, technology can be found on almost every street. Vending machines serve drinks, meals, and everyday essentials. Japanese electronics reshaped global entertainment. Portable devices, music players, cameras, and home systems changed daily life. Clean workspaces, organized tools, and relentless improvement. Japanese manufacturing became a philosophy.
In a land shaped by earthquakes, buildings and machines are designed to adapt. Safety became innovation.
Autonomous vehicles, hydrogen technology, intelligent transport. Japan continues designing from wooden wheels to bullet trains to intelligent machines inside millions. Intelligent machines inside millions of homes.
Japan did not simply adopt technology. It transformed it.